Hey traders, welcome back to our daily update on the Dax Renko. So early morning session European, and we were wondering if we might get a continuation of the volatility we had on Friday, but we saw basically the market fairly sideways and choppy in the early trading and pretty much for most of the day. It started off with around about a 60-point range, and it didn't go too much further than that, or about a 50-point range. So let's have a look at our first trade setup on the Dax Renko. We had a T3 sell, so we had the fatigue index giving us the potential sell. You've got the red dot there for a sell. We had the market giving us a top, and we've got divergence. It doesn't show up on the chart as a yellow dot, but you see we've clearly got divergence there. Price making a higher high, the MACD making a lower high. So that's that bearish divergence. And you can see here we get triggered into this particular trade at 63.30 and our sell. Now remember that we've got three targets when we're trading the Renko. We have a 10, a 14 and a 20 point target. Now the significance of the targets are that that's obviously how we're going to manage our stop, but also we have some traders who take profit at 10, 14 and 20 points. So for our traders who are trading the fixed target of 10 points, you would have taken 10 points there. 14 points was hit quite easily. We're looking for the trailing strategy, so the trailing stop, and that got taken out there at 63.24. So 63.24 was the trailing stop. Now the reason why it didn't get taken out there is because there's no setup trade there. So we're looking for the 2 brick stop, which is there at 63.24. The market hadn't moved 20 points, so it still is a 2 brick stop. So that's at 63.24, and that gave us positive 6 points, both on the trailing strategy and also the fixed target of 20. So that was pretty much the only T3 trade setup. So remember our objective for the week is 50 points. So those of you who are trading the fixed target at 10, well done, you're on your way. For the 14 points, you've got it at 14 points. You achieved your objective there, and our trailing stop traders and those going for the 20 points just netted out 6. But a good positive session, and we're looking for. We didn't get another setup here at all, so none of the overbought. The fatigue index didn't set up and trigger again, so no other trade. And as you can see, price was pretty choppy, so the T3 did a great job of just keeping us out of this chop, and it was pretty ugly up until lunchtime. So thank you for your time, everybody. We'll catch you tomorrow for our European session update on the Renko, and all the best. Cheers.